recommend Amoroso tomatoes from Genting Garden or Genting. Yeah, they're like the closest to Italian tomatoes in Singapore.
Yes.
You know, they're like cherry tomatoes but a little bit bigger. It's nice. Quality. Chop some basil. Sweet basil. Maybe just one bunch like this. Okay. Then bunch it up like that. Okay, then chop, chop, chop. Using this De Checo olive oil, that's really good. Please don't ever use like Bertolli or like natural olive oil. It sucks. This is good.
Alright.
It smells.
Alright.
So generous amount. Yum.
Wow.
Okay, your whole paycheck is in this bruschetta. That's some salt to taste. Okay. I'm using Himalayan pink salt.
Alright.
Healthy.
Yes.
Mix it up. Alright. So the most important ingredient is some garlic. Maybe just like half a tablespoon.
Alright.
Like that. And then mix it up. You can use fresh garlic if you want, but ain't got no time to chop garlic, okay?
Yes.
Put it in the fridge for like maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, and then it's
Alright.
good to go.
Alright.
After toasting, you have to toast the bread, okay? And get a clove of garlic and rub a little bit. Oops. A little bit. Just a spruge. Alright. Yum.
Yum.
Get those juices in.